The hardest part of any routine is getting started. So I will share with you a strategy that I use, and it's called placement of the alarm clock. Where do most people place their alarm clock, whether on your mobile device? Right in reach of your arm. So when the alarm goes off, what do? We hit the snooze button. Here's a strategy that I want you to apply. Take the alarm, whether it be your mobile device, put it across the room. What does that do? When that alarm goes off, it forces you to physically get up and go across the room. Now, I have clients of mine that say, Lyman, I got 3 alarms, one in my bedroom, bathroom, and even downstairs. You know, if you're really struggling, have 3 alarms. Have one on your mobile device, and get one of those old-fashioned with the bell that wakes up the entire house. But trust me, you want something that's going to wake you up, that physically makes you get up. And once you get up, then invoke your routine. So my advice for anyone that's looking to maximize or optimize their routine, it starts with simply getting up. Because once you get up, it's a lot easier to get going.